Okay. Good morning. Malavika, Anashwara, Eva, and Emilyn, please switch on your videos. Okay, many familiar faces and some unfamiliar ones. Yeah, Samura to join. Please wait. Okay. So, how many of you know my name? Silly question still. Okay, my name is Neha. I hope you attended the inaugural session. Yes? So, yeah. So, and obviously, I'll be taking psychology for you all this year. And I don't know why, but I'm too nervous today. Can you read that from my face? Yeah, all right. So, do you have anything to ask or tell me? Please don't sit idle and speak up. Unmute and speak. Anything. Or do you want me to start the portion today? Yes. What kind of children are you all? Yes, Malavika, you seem so pleasant today. Speak something.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Yeah, this is my first class in Grace, so I'm pretty nervous.
You are new here.
Yeah,
Okay, fine. So where were you before?
I was in Bhavans,
Bhavan.
Yes,
Kodungalur.
yes.
Okay. Any other new students?
I'm also a new admission here.
Eva, Devika, and
Yeah, ma'am. I'm also a new student. I'm from the Indian Community School, Kuwait.
sorry, can you repeat? I didn't hear.
I'm from the Indian Community School, Kuwait.
Okay, okay, fine. And Eva?
Ma'am, I'm from Arun English High School, Dubai. I'm actually still in Dubai.
Lindabai. Okay,
Yeah.
NRI. Norin,
Yes, ma'am. I'm also in UAE.
UAE.
Yeah,
Okay, fine. Then any other students?
Hello, sir. I'm from St. Xavier's,
St. Xavier.
Kichanikar.
Where is that?
Kichanikar.
I don't know. I don't know. I'm not familiar with all those places. Okay. Then we'll do an activity now. Shall we? Yes. So from the starting till the end, that is till we complete our psychology course, we'll have so many activities in the class. It is going to be interactive in nature. Rather than my monotonous solo lecture, we'll have interactions, discussions, activities, and so and so. Fine, that would be better because this subject has a bit philosophical touch also. So if I keep blabbering here, you will sleep off, of course. So try to speak up. Whatever comes to your mind, speak up. Okay, don't feel inhibited. Okay, fine. Yes, so the new ones feel comfortable, the old ones are still comfortable, I can feel that. And yeah, let's start. So, what I want you to do is you can introduce yourself, not by your name because I can see your names on the board itself. So, tell me something special about you so that I can remember you even after 5 or 10 years. Not only me, but your classmates also. Tell me anything special about you. Anything. Okay? Do you want time to think or we can start? Again, don't sit idle. Speak up. Tell me yes or no at least. Shall we start or do you need time to think?
we can start now.
Yes, Noorun said something. What was it?
Ma'am, I was saying we can start.
We can start. Okay, would you like to start?
Okay.
Can you speak a bit louder because I cannot hear you properly?
Okay, ma'am. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Something special about me is that I have many hobbies.
You have many hobbies.
Yeah, but
Okay.
everything depends upon my mood. And right now, I'm very much into watching movies.
Very much into watching movies. I can find some similarities between us. Okay, then.
But
That's all?
yeah,
Okay. If you get any other point, let me know.
okay.
Any other volunteers who want to speak up? Come on, come on. Eva, your face looks very familiar to me. I don't know why. Have you been in Kerala?
I wasn't, the last time I was in Kerala was in 2018. So
2008.
I don't know.
Okay, so where in Kerala are you based at?
Thrissur.
Thrissur. Okay. Fine. Others, come on. Speak up, speak up. See, you heard from your teachers, from your chairman, from Dean sir, from Joseph sir. All of them told all their opinions and suggestions and advices and everything. It's your time to speak now. I'm giving you chance. Handing over the mic to you. Speak up now. Volunteer, come on. Come out of your comfort zone. Break out the bubble. Come on. Hey. I can hear voices in your head. You'll think that the other person will speak now. That person will think that the other person is going to speak now. And you're doubting if the other person will speak and I'll speak at the same time and we'll clash at the same time. Yes or no?
Oh, yes.
Yes. uh, we'll do one thing. I think we'll waste the period if we sit and stand like this. Okay. Think of a number in your mind. A number from 1 to 12. Okay. Thought. Rose Binu, can you switch on your video? Okay. Anybody who thought of 2?
Ma'am.
You speak up.
So, ma'am, I love dancing. I love painting. I like. Even I have many hobbies, ma'am.
Did you actually get my idea? I'm not talking about hobbies. I'm telling you, tell me anything that will make yourself be registered in my mind. Understood? So that I don't remember, not remember, I won't forget you after 5 or 6 years. Unless I get some memory problems. Yes. You want more time to think?
Ma'am, maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Anybody who thought of 5? 5? Nervous faces. 5? No 5. Alina, hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Anybody who thought of 5? Still no. Hard luck. 7? 7? Anyone? No. 1. There's going to be a clash now. Okay. 6. Okay, 6. 6. No. Oh my god. 4. G is Joseph. Come on. I can't hear you. Come on. Still I cannot hear you. Can anybody hear him? No dear. Please check your audio device. No. Just try unmute and speak. Try it once more. No. Still no. Okay, we'll do one thing. You can type it in the chat box. Okay? Yes. Now 8. Anyone? Eva. Come on. It's one of my best friend's name. Eva.
Oh, okay, that's cool. I would like to speak, but I don't, as far as I'm concerned, I think everything that I do is pretty average compared to many others.
Pretty average.
Yeah, it's not unique about me, but I think one thing about me is that I'm left-handed.
You're left-handed. Okay.
Yeah, that's the only thing I could think of. I'm sorry.
Alright. Left-handed Eva. Is that registered in my mind? Will I remember you for 5 years? Let's see. Let's wait and see. Okay. Again, if you get any other point, let me know. 9. 13. No, I told you 1 to 12, no? So 12. Anyone? 12. Are you even thinking of numbers or something else? Oh God. Which one did I miss now? 10? No. 11? No.
I thought of 11.
Who thought of 11?
No.
Who was that? Noorin. Any other point? No. 1, 2. Which number did I miss now? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Finished. 12. Wonderful. What is happening here? You guys didn't think? Abhinav, why are you laughing? Which number did you think of?
I think of 5.
Then where were you when I called out 5?
I didn't get any answers. Just thinking about
You should have
answers.
told me that, no? I was thinking, which number did I miss? Okay, and the others? What about the others? Shreya, which number did you think of?
4.
4. Now what shall we do? Okay, Jeeves has his response. I can play keyboard. Okay, which can you play a song in the keyboard? Or are you just a beginner? I just came from India yesterday. No, I'm asking you, can you play a song in the keyboard? Or are you just a beginner in playing the keyboard? Beginner, alright. So by the end of psychology course, I hope we'll hear a masterpiece from you. Yes. Probably. Fingers crossed. Alright. Now, what shall I do to make you all speak?
Can you introduce yourself?
I should introduce myself. Okay, what do you want to know? Ask that then. That would be better. I can hear your sounds at least. Come on.
Ma'am, where are you from, ma'am?
I'm from Ernakulam, Kerala. Then. Huh?
Name.
My name. Wonderful. What is my name? Anybody who knows my name?
Neha.
Sneha. My name is Sneha. Okay, Abdul? Yes. Then. Usually the girls are supposed to be the talkative ones. Why are you all so silent today?
Ma'am, this is my first class and I'm among people I don't even know. I don't really have much to
That's
say.
what I am asking you. Get to know each other. Other teachers will start the classes now. I'm giving you a chance to speak up and get to know each other. And you're thinking, some of you are looking down. Some of you, I think you're worried about the lunch today. Are you worried about the menu of the lunch? No. Okay. Then, Emmeline, are you very silent person usually?
Oh, ma'am.
No. Then what happened today?
Starting problem, I think.
Starting trouble. Okay, fine, I can understand. Alright. No other questions for me? At least ask something, no. I didn't have this much trouble with your seniors. They are also usually silent like this. I'll have to poke them to get an answer from them usually. Even good mornings, I'll have to poke them. But too tough in breaking the ice today. Ask me something. Pin drop silence.
Okay, ma'am, I have a question.
Okay.
Why did you choose psychology as your major interest?
Okay, this was my next question for y'all. Anyways, I'll do my part and then come to you. I chose psychology because I wanted to do something of a variety kind rather than the usual medicine, engineering, and all those stuff. I was interested in psychology because one of my neighbor's cousin was learning psychology, and then I got interested in the subject. And I think from my school days, I was interested in knowing about the reasons behind behavior. Why people are doing like that? Why some people are only doing like this? So, and I didn't know that such field existed, an educational field existed called psychology. When I got to know about it, I thought I choose that. That's why. And why did you all choose psychology? Let's speak about that then. Or do you have any other questions? You can ask that. Anything. Open mic. There is somebody in this class who even took a psychology textbook from me and referred.
Me.
Why did you do that? Why were you interested in psychology? I didn't ask you then because I was not sure if you will take psychology this time or not. But now, as you have taken, I would ask, why did you opt psychology? Simply. How is Ellen?
Fine.
Fine. Is he there?
Yeah, I think
No,
so.
no, don't call, don't call. Let him be there. Okay, Alan is her twin brother. Okay, for those who don't know. Yes. And come on, others. The other Alina left already. Okay. At least question me, no? You won't get this chance to question your teacher all the time. Teacher will be asking questions. I'll be asking, that is for sure. Still. Uh, Meryl, I didn't hear your voice. Can you speak something?
Hi, ma'am.
You were here already? You
Yes, ma'am.
finished 10th here. Okay. Then. Only hi. Hi, hello, bye bye. Finished. Anila,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
already spoke, no? You told me you're new.
Yes.
Yes. Rose, have we met before?
No.
For exams?
Maybe I don't remember.
I think so. Your face looks familiar. Okay. Tell me something about you.
I don't have any special features.
It need not be special. Anything about you. Special, that word I have already abandoned in the class now. Nothing special. Okay. Now speak something about you. Oh my god. I should have taken the textbook and started the chapter. Did you get the books? Did you get the books?
No, ma'am.
Not yet. Okay. What is your expectation about this course? Abdul, tell me something. What do you expect from this course? What do you expect from psychology? What do you expect from me? These are the three questions. You can answer in your own ways. Come on.
I was about to ask that is psychology is it hard or no?
Psychology? Speak up.
Psychology as a subject, is it hard or tough or?
You're asking me. Was that a question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, psychology as a subject is a very
Yes,
easy
ma'am.
subject. Yes, it is a very easy subject only if you learn. Okay. If you learn, it is a very easy subject. You just have to show some interest for it. That's it. And I think if you attend the class regularly, you will have an idea of whatever is there in the textbook. If you miss the class in between, then it's really hard to make the connection, because there are, especially in +1, we have so many theoretical concepts, which is the basis for class 12. Okay, so in class 12, if you're not studying class 11 properly, then I'll have to repeat the topics again and again. You'll have to study +1 along with +2, which will be again tough. So if we are going with that flow, then it's all right, no problem. And I am not a person who is very strict. So I think it would be okay for us, both of us. Then, what did you think psychology was, or psychology would give you? What was your aim in opting this course, or just for horror? Emmeline, why did you choose psychology?
I might choose this subject because I just like to know other person's mind while
Mind.
coming to me.
Okay.
What's there in their mind.
What is going on inside their mind? Okay. Yes, valid reason. Then, any other reason? Malavika, can I know from you?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hello again.
I'm very curious to know and learn about behaviors, and even in future, I would like to take something related to psychology, like forensic psychology or criminology.
Okay,
So,
criminal psychology is there, forensic
yeah,
psychology is there, yes.
so
For
I'm
that, you have to
interested.
work really hard because only in very rare places we have that course.
I know there's one relative of mine learning criminology in Canada, so I would like to learn that.
All right, yes, good. Then, others. Meryl, what is your expectation?
Just to learn about mind, just about the feelings and
Just
behavior.
to learn about mine and then leave. That's all. Okay, fine. Devika?
Ma'am, I like learning new things, so I thought psychology would be interesting.
You
So
like
that's the
learning
reason.
what?
New things, ma'am.
New things. Okay. So
Yeah.
psychology is entirely new for you.
Yeah. So I don't know anything about psychology, so I thought it would be interesting.
Well and good. You learn more indeed. Okay, then Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
I choose psychology because I am interested in it.
You're interested, not because somebody forced you to join, isn't it?
No, ma'am. Not forced.
That is obvious, man. Tell me some other reason.
And there was no other options for me.
Yes, that is a valid option. I agree. Yes, that is a valid option.
This is
Because
because it psychology is something interesting to me, ma'am.
yeah.
Other
So,
rather than other courses.
so two advantages. Psychology is interesting, plus there is no other subject. So you can eliminate maths and all, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I am scared of
Main
maths.
aim. Okay, yes, very valid reason. Then Shreya. Shreya's still sitting like a cat. Yes. Tell me. I was laughing before I switched on your video because I can see all your faces. Tell me.
That's interesting.
I'm interested in psychology, that's all. Finished. End of the story. Rose.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Interested in psychology.
What? Interested in psychology.
Psychology.
Ah, very good. Pranav, why is your video off? Pranav? No. Okay, Anila, why did you choose psychology?
To me,
Hmm. You.
because I thought something new. Psychology was something new for me.
Somebody else is answering for you there. Is that your pet?
Yes, miss.
What is his or her name?
What?
Name.
Jackie.
Jackie. Okay, I think Jackie is also interested in psychology because he is
Maybe.
speaking more than you all. Alright. So I think it's almost time to wind up the class. From the next class onwards, please don't sit like this. Okay. I know it's the first class, there will be a starting trouble. Even for me, it is there, but I am helpless because you guys are not talking now. So somebody has to do the talking. Anyways, we'll start the classes from the next session onwards. I think some more students will be joining from the other batches. So I think we'll get to know them also first and then we'll start the portion. Okay. Meanwhile, just do a little bit research of what we are going to study. Yes? Just a minute. I want to mark the attendance. Okay. So then, bye. Thank you. And please don't switch off your videos when you come for the class. I won't give what punishments and impositions if you don't answer the question. So don't worry. Okay, be cool in the class. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you then. See you next class.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.